In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a viral 3D doll trend video using ChatGPT. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type Google into the address bar and hit Enter to go to the Google homepage. Here, you'll want to type ChatGPT into the search bar. Hit Enter, and this will bring up a list of search results. Next, look for the official ChatGPT website and click on it. This will lead you to the ChatGPT platform, which is a great tool for creating and designing using AI. Now, once you're on the main page of ChatGPT, keep an eye out for the plus sign. This is usually where you can start adding new elements or features to your design. Give it a click, and you'll see options to add different types of content. Click on Add photos and files. This step is crucial because this is where you'll be uploading any image or file you want to use as a reference or part of your 3D doll design. You should have your chosen photo saved on your device so you can easily upload it here. Simply browse your files, select the image you want, and click Open to upload. Once your image is added, it's time to get creative. In the ChatGPT interface, you'll find a space to type a prompt. Think of this prompt as the instructions you're giving to the AI for creating your 3D doll video. This is where you put your imagination to work. For instance, you might type something like, create a realistic, high-resolution product image of a 3D doll with the referenced face, short brown hair, blue eyes, wearing a silver blue skirt, and holding a sword, standing on a rocky alien planet beneath 2 moons. Be as detailed as possible to ensure the AI understands exactly what you want. After crafting your prompt, simply click on the Submit button. The ChatGPT platform will then process your request and generate an image based on the information you've provided. This may take a moment, so be patient and let the technology work its magic. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to create and share a viral 3D doll trend video. Experiment with different prompts and images to see a variety of results. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. And happy creating!